Check. Here you go. Check. But daylight. Alright, can you guys hear me? Thank you, everybody. We're Coach Light.
Yes, we are.
Make sure you're hydrated. Drink some water. Make sure you're hydrated.
Yes, drink water. I want everybody to come up front, though. That'd be really cool if you guys would do that, please.
I need everybody up front right now. I'm looking at you, old farts.
Before we get started, I want to shout out our amazing photographer, Emily. She has come to all the shows she can, and she takes awesome pictures every single time. She's one of our biggest fans, so I'm gifting her a Coach Light shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Our coolest one we have.